Ever wondered how an F1 car actually starts? Here's the surprising part. You can't just sit in the cockpit, press a button and start the engine. Before the engine even turns over, the engineers have to prepare the car for starting. And that preparation is pure motorsport engineering. First, the engine needs to be brought up to the correct temperature. The team uses an external heating and pumping system to circulate hot fluid through the engine. That heat is transferred into the engine's internal components. The oil is also heated and circulated so that the lubrication system is ready. Why? Because an F1 power unit is built with extremely precise components and operating conditions. Starting it cold is simply not how you want to treat an engine designed to operate at the limits. At the same time, the engineers are bringing the car's systems online. Electrical systems are checked. Battery and insulation status are monitored. Fuel pressure is established. Hydraulic systems are pressurized. And engineers are watching temperatures and pressures through their computers. The car is basically going through a pre-flight check. And now comes one of the coolest parts. An F1 car doesn't rely on a conventional onboard starter motor like your road car. Instead, an external starter unit is connected to the car. That starter mechanically turns the engine's crankshaft. In other words, before the engine can run by itself, something outside the engine has to spin it. That's a pretty unusual sight if you've only ever driven a road car. The engine is first turned over under controlled conditions. The engine is first run under controlled conditions. This allows the systems to establish the required lubrication and operating conditions. Then, fuel and ignition are introduced. Combustion begins. The power unit fires into life. The external starter is disengaged. The engine is now running under its own power. And that's the part most people don't see. Starting an F1 car isn't one action. It's a sequence involving thermal management, lubrication, hydraulics, and electronics. It's a sequence involving thermal management, lubrication, hydraulics, and electronics. Everything has to work together in the correct sequence. So the next time you see an F1 car leave the garage, remember, before it ever moves 1 inch, an entire engineering team has already made hundreds of things happen. That's race engineering for you.